Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Uvora milk Thistle subscription, okay, or get uvora.com subscription. If you have purchased any product on Uvora related to this kind of product, so if you have taken any subscription, how you can cancel it. So first of all, you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website is getuvora.com. This is the official website. Once you are on the official website, you will see at the very top side of your screen there is a option like these three lines. At the top side you can see like this kind of option, these three lines. You need to tap on this button and it will pop up a new screen. On this you need to select manage subscription option. When you click on this link, you will see this kind of options. Enter your email ID. You need to enter your registered email ID. Once you enter your registered email ID, they will you need to click on send subscription login link. When you click on this link, you need to check your email, and in the email you will get a subscription login link, and you can cancel your subscription by modifying your subscription, okay. If this method will not work, you can also do one thing. You can compose an email format. I want to show you. This is the email format, and once your email is done, you need to, in the end of the email, you need to also ask a proof of cancellation also on your same email. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like support@getuvora.com, okay. And once they receive your email, they will contact you. They will send you a confirmation of email like your subscription is ended. If these both methods will not work, you can also cancel your credit card. This is the last option. You need to cancel your credit card, and once your credit card is cancelled, when you get new one, your all the unwanted subscription will end it, okay. So this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care.